2006 Softail Standard, excellent condition, 8495 miles, fuel injection, pipes, high flow air cleaner, drag bars with risers, grips, seat. No, I think that's the stock seat, I'm sorry. We do have the mirrors, they were just taken off when they put it in the trailer. Chrome sprocket, lower belt guard, rear axle nut covers, chrome primary and inner primary. Very clean. Financing available, just service.